guys, this is Dylan on Shellar13 channel.
And Ashley.
And we're going to be trying these.
Yeah, some kind of weird toxic waste crap.
It's like warheads, but not much sour.
It looks stupid.
You ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
How's that foul taste? Okay. I know it'll make this more interesting. Oh god. Okay. And oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so sour! We're dying! Hey. Don't try this at home, kids.
I'm okay.
No! What are you doing? Maple syrup is worse.
I kept on eating the whole time.
You're really plain syrup. I'm not doing that. That's gross.
I was
Oh my god. Hey.
I said marshmallows.
No, dude, salt.
Okay.
We're gonna do salt now.
Put it on the table.
Salt.
I mean, like, pour it.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. You remember this one, people? The one we told you not to buy? We're being idiots, so we're doing it. Alright, here goes.
No. No.
You better freaking do it now!
Find something else.
Oh my god, I'm dying!
Check again now.
I am dying! Okay, let's find something sweet because I need something sweet right now. This is too much. Ah! Oh my god, I'm dying. No, we're not using chili peppers, you idiot! Oh my god. Oh, we're being such retards right now. Oh my god, I'm dying. What is it?
The best meal.
Oh yeah.
Is that it?
I said something sweet.
I'm done.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. I think we're the ending here, people. If we can't take it sweet no more. I mean, it's Dylan's fault. We have to do all that crap.
Okay.
So, okay.
Bye.
Never do it at home. It's